And here's what it would look like on a trim on a finished skirt. So I just used some seam binding and attached to the edge of the skirt. So that makes it look really professionally done. So like I said, just take your skirt once you've got your your outer layer and your inner layer combined, because what you're going to want to do, oh yeah, I'm sorry, totally forgot. Whew. When you have your reversible layers attached, what I like to do is go ahead and stitch all the way around before I attach my seam binding, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute, so that way it's all nice and neat. Or if you prefer, you can just go ahead and I'm going to fold it again. I think makes it a little easier, especially when you're cutting a whole lot of fabric. And I'm just going to trim all this excess off so the skirt will be nice and even when I get ready to put a hem on it. So I'm just going to, and you don't have to worry about being too exacto perfect at this point, because whatever ruffle or edging you're going to put on there will even it up all the way around. So you just get all that excess off. Okay, and a little bit more here. And I'm just eyeballing this so I can see that the circle is very round. As round as I want it to be. Okay, so open up, and now you see that's a much cleaner look. Right here, I'm going to have to take a look at and see. It may just be that the fabric's pulling a little bit, which is fine. So, there you go. Yes, I'm going to show you how to finish the edge of the skirt.